whole bunch of sun. Good morning. Good morning, sissy. Good morning. Are you hungry? You're hungry? You're gonna eat that? Hi, bud. Oh gosh, bud. Quit bonking your head, man. Just good morning. Freedom. Woo. Woo.
They're like,
Is he hungry? Eating each other's faces. Okay, hold on. Okay, we've gotten the baby goats fed, and Kim came and took care of the ducks, and we have one that is not walking well for some reason. Obviously, she injured herself yesterday somehow. And she now has a fairly weak leg, so we'll watch her today, and if she doesn't seem to get any better, then we'll have to put her down. The baby birds are doing much better. We added 5 turkeys. We lost one of the day-old hatches yesterday. We've got some week-old ones. That's a turkey, and that one ducking down is a turkey. We've got the other 2 babies in a warmer area. The rabbits are all doing well. I want to move their cage so that they can have, hi girls, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Lily. Good morning, Ebony. She's so sweet. So we did have a little bit of a sprinkle this morning, which is nice. But you can see there's still a ton of smoke. That's actually smoke. And I am feeling it today because I started unloading dirt yesterday. Let me show you what I got. So that is 4 loads of this guy in there. Not much left, so that's what I'm doing this morning, and then we're going to go do laundry. We may actually get some more rain. Good morning, Gracie. Good morning, Allegra. Are you ready for your snacks? Oh, why you get such a mean face? Why are you so hangry? Oh, good morning. You can do it. You don't have to be a scaredy. Okay. So Allegra is not super okay with people being around her. So what I've been doing is I feed her, and then I stand close to, obviously on this side of the fence, her feed, and I won't walk away until she actually starts taking a bite. So that's been working. She's getting better. She's doing pretty good. She's moving around pretty good. She's still wonky, still cockeyed. I did increase the grain a little bit. I'm going to pick up some alfalfa pellets. I prefer to give hay grain versus just a sweet feed, which is what they're getting now, but I need to pick some more of that up. And I do not have a black eye. It looks like I have a black eye. I do not have a black eye. Good morning, Gracie. All up in your business. Eating your snacks. Is that a wild blueberry bush? Did I cut down a wild blueberry bush? Okay, I messaged my friend Darla, who I have decided knows everything about edible plants. And she said if you squish it and there's a seed in it, you should not eat it.
There is.
There is a seed. Oh, focus, focus. So apparently it's not edible. Darn it. Chloe, do you want to be the baby? Do you want to be the baby? Are you jealous of the goats because they get the milky milk? So silly. They had their breakfast. They harassed by dogs. Chloe stole their food, and now it's nap time. Okay, so I quickly watered, but with Kim's moral support and getting of the roots that were in the way that kept trying to kill me, we were able to get all the dirt in. But again, you guys, like every day, I feel like they triple in size. Look at that guy. And we have lettuce popping through. All over this place, things are popping through. Look at that guy. Love it. Look at all those babies. They're doing so good. Look at that. Now these were the seeds. I will put the link below in the description that I got from a local guy that also YouTubes. And those are for the slower, smaller, shorter, whatever they call it, growing season. This is all baby kale. It's coming up in here. Be a couple of days, couple of weeks, maybe a week, we'll be able to be having lettuce from our home garden. These guys are still refusing to change color. Takes forever, and then all of a sudden they do. But we do have new flowers getting ready to pop up. Where is it? Right in here. And right in there. So that's exciting. It was a lot of hard work this morning, but I am so excited to get to start planting more of some fall things in this area, you know, because the growing season is going. We've been getting a sprinkle rain today, and it's been nice. It's cooled off. It's kind of getting a little bit humid again, so I'm going to take a break. But that was a good morning job. What was that? You just reared up and flipped over.
Just shy of the camera.
You can't be shy of the camera. You're famous. What are you doing, buddy? Bud? What you doing, bud?
You need to Instagram them.
And why don't you get to come outside, Justin? Chloe, why don't you get to come outside? Maybe because you have crazy eyes. Justin's just peeking over. Okay, so this morning we have to tube feed because these guys are refusing to take the bottle. You are refusing. You're cute though. What has happened is when we first got them, they were not sucking super hard. So we opened the nipple of the bottle so that they could easily get milk with a little bit of sucking, soft sucking. Now they're really going for it, and it's kind of drowning them. So we're going to have to replace that nipple to one that they can suck harder on, and it'll all work out. But we need to run to the store to get that because I threw the bag away that had those actually in them. So we're going to go ahead and quickly tube feed them, run to the store, and get what we need to be able to keep them on the bottle. It is actually a lot faster, but I am going to show you how we tube feed. And I hope it helps you out if you need to do this. Okay, so this guy has not been tube fed before.
No, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Turn. Oh, you're gonna love us.
So the proper amount for a goat, we looked this up for baby goat, is 29 cc's or milliliters. So you want to go ahead and pull that into your syringe. And then you need to have some kind of tube. They did not have the tube feeding kit at the store. So that's a thing. You maybe want to pre-order something from your vet or whatever. They had one for cattle. You want to fill up your tube so that you're not introducing a bunch of air into the baby's belly. And then what I like to do is take off the syringe and hold this so that the liquid does not fall out of the tube, and I can insert it into the baby. So you just want them to swallow, so if you can get them to chew on your finger, you can put this down their throat. Mm-hmm. Oh, dang it. Good boy. Okay. Now he's swallowed and he's chewing. So you know you're not in the lungs. And I'm taking this out the side of his mouth so that he can't actually chew on it. Oh, he bit it. There we go.
Good boy. Done. All done. Huh. Now your turn, darling.
So how you measure out how to make sure you have the right length of tube is you come from their mouth and you basically take it alongside the animal's body down to where their stomach would be, and then that's where you clip it. I know I'm going to be out about this much on her because she's that much shorter than him.
Look at you all frisky down there.
Hold her head super tight.
Alright, girlie.
Well, if you would have taken the bottle this morning. Justin, quiet. quicker you do this, the less traumatic it is for them. And I like to pull the syringe off and let the milk, ooh, don't bite it. Don't bite the tube. Let the milk that's in the tube drain out before I pull it out.
There you go, honey.
I want to introduce the least amount of air into the belly, but they will belch and fart if you do get some in there. This way, what has happened is they've gotten so hungry overnight that they're not latching onto the bottle. Plus, we're getting a really easy flow of milk out of the bottle. So they're not actually wanting to suck on that. So it's very quick, very fast to get food in them so that then we can run to the store and they'll settle down and they won't have as much I'm starving, frantic, trying to grab the milk bottle and just getting milk everywhere. So if you're going to bottle feed babies and raise babies, this is something that you really need to learn to do. If you feel uncomfortable doing it, have a goat mentor that can help you do this the first time. I had to do this on some bottle-fed baby lambs that I had gotten that their mother had been killed by coyotes, and I was able to save the babies and get food in them. And so I do think it's something that you definitely need to learn to do if you're going to bottle feed or raise babies at all. Because this is also something that we've added. Can't tell if it's focusing or not. No, it can't decide what to focus on. There we go. They love it. Just squirt it in the back of their mouth. Oh, do you want that now, buddy? Oh, bud, you want that? Get it all over my pants and then the wasps want me.